Where can you find Amazon discount codes? Unlock the best deals and save big. Are you searching for Amazon discount coupons and deals? Do you want to enhance your shopping experience and save more while getting everything you love? Look no further. You're in the right place. Here, we'll not only provide you with the latest discount information and deals, but we'll also feature top-rated products with limited-time offers. We've done the research to save you the hassle of spending hours scrolling through endless pages. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Stick with me, and I'll reveal the secrets to unlocking the best Amazon discounts. Welcome to our weekly blog series, your ultimate guide to discovering unbeatable deals and learning how to apply coupon codes to maximize your savings. Whether you're upgrading your gadgets, refreshing your home, revamping your beauty routine, or shopping for just about anything on Amazon, we've got you covered with the hottest deals of the week. In this week's edition, we're featuring 5 amazing products with limited-time discounts. Plus, you'll find 5 additional couponed items listed in the description below. Don't miss out. The images you'll see in the video are just for illustrative purposes only. Actual product images can be found via the links provided in the description below. These links also lead to pricing, customer reviews, and detailed specifications for your convenience. First up, the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine, 2-pound, your personal bakery at home. If you've ever dreamed of waking up to the smell of fresh homemade bread without the hassle, the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine is here to make that dream a reality. This 2-pound bread maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen, offering an incredible array of features that allow you to bake like a professional from the comfort of your own home. Key features. The KBS Pro Bread Machine comes equipped with 19 programmable functions, making it versatile enough to bake anything from basic white bread to specialty loaves like French and gluten-free bread. It offers 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, and 3 crust settings, light, medium, dark, allowing you to tailor your bread to your exact preferences. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser is another standout feature, adding ingredients at just the right time to ensure an evenly mixed loaf every time. This machine is super easy to use. With its intuitive digital controls, you can select your settings, set a timer, and walk away. Your bread will be ready when you need it. The non-stick bread pan and kneading paddle make cleanup a breeze, and the stainless steel exterior adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop. Why you'll love it. Whether you're baking bread for breakfast, preparing dough for pizza night, or making jams, the KBS Pro delivers exceptional results every time. It's an investment that will pay off with the smell of fresh bread wafting through your home whenever you like. Tip: a limited-time coupon discount is available for this bread machine. Head to the description below for the link and details. Next up is the Geaven Foldable Wagon with extended tailgate. Whether you're headed to the beach, hauling gear for a picnic, or just need to transport heavy items around the yard, this versatile wagon is ready to take on any task with ease. Key features. The Geaven Foldable Wagon is built for strength and durability. It has a heavy-duty frame that can support up to 265 pounds, so you can load it up with all your essentials without worrying about it breaking down. The extended tailgate feature gives you even more storage space, allowing you to carry larger items such as coolers, bags, or sports equipment. The all-terrain wheels are designed to handle different surfaces. Whether you're rolling it over sand, grass, or gravel, you won't have to worry about getting stuck. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, and it comes with a carry bag for convenient transportation. The wagon also features a removable fabric liner, which makes it easy to clean after muddy or sandy trips. Why? You'll love it. Whether you're camping, heading to the park, or simply need a sturdy solution for transporting items around your yard, the Geaven Foldable Wagon is up for the challenge. It's a must-have tool for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a reliable way to move heavy loads with minimal effort. Tip: don't miss out on the special coupon discount for this foldable wagon. Check the description below for the link and all the details. If you're looking to add both safety and style to your staircase, look no further than the Cohomier edging stair treads. These non-slip treads are designed to not only protect you and your loved ones from slipping, but also enhance the overall look of your staircase. Key features. Made with high-quality materials, these treads feature a non-slip backing that keeps them securely in place on hardwood, tile, or any other type of flooring. The edging design adds a touch of elegance to your stairs, making them look more polished and refined. Each tread measures a generous size to cover most stairs, providing full coverage for added safety. They are incredibly easy to install. Simply peel off the backing and stick them down without any hassle. They're also easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. The treads are available in multiple colors and styles, allowing you to match them to your home's decor effortlessly. Why you'll love it. These stair treads are perfect for families, especially if you have young children or elderly relatives in your home. They provide peace of mind, knowing that your stairs are safer and less prone to accidents, all while looking great. Tip: a special coupon discount is available for these stair treads. Check the description below for the link and all the details. The Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows is our next item. Transform your sleep experience with the Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows, a premium blend of comfort, support, and luxury that redefines what it means to get a good night's rest. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, these pillows are a must-have for anyone seeking the perfect balance between plush softness and firm support. Key features. First, let's talk about comfort. The Beckham Hotel Collection pillows are crafted with a soft, breathable cotton cover that feels luxurious against your skin. Inside, you'll find plush gel fibers that provide just the right amount of support, ensuring you wake up refreshed and free of neck or shoulder pain. These pillows are also highly versatile. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, the gel-filled interior molds perfectly to your head and neck, offering personalized comfort and proper spinal alignment all night long. Next, let's address health and safety. These pillows are hypoallergenic, which means they resist dust mites, mold, and allergens. For allergy sufferers or those with sensitive skin, this is a game changer, ensuring a clean and safe sleeping environment for you and your family. And don't worry about maintenance. The Beckham Hotel Collection pillows are machine washable, making it easy to keep them fresh and hygienic. Plus, they're fade and stain resistant, so they'll look and feel like new, even after multiple washes. Finally, these pillows are inspired by luxury hotels. With their plush, elegant design, they're not only functional, but also elevate the overall look of your bedroom, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Why you'll love it. If you've been searching for pillows that combine softness, durability, and style, the Beckham Hotel Collection delivers on all fronts. Whether you're sinking into them after a long day or using them to prop yourself up during a relaxing morning, these pillows offer unmatched comfort and support. They're also great for couples, as they maintain their shape and firmness throughout the night, ensuring uninterrupted rest for both partners. Final thoughts. With their luxurious feel, hypoallergenic design, and easy care instructions, the Beckham Hotel Collection bed pillows are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep experience. They're also a thoughtful gift idea for friends and family. Tip: don't miss out on the special coupon discount available right now. Check the description below for the link and details to start enjoying the sleep you deserve. Last but certainly not least, the Dreo Humidifier for bedroom. This humidifier is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient way to improve the air quality in their space. This sleek and stylish humidifier is perfect for bedrooms, offices, or even living rooms, providing effective humidification with minimal noise. Key features: the Dreo Humidifier features a 2.5-liter water tank that offers continuous operation for up to 24 hours. It provides cool mist to relieve dry air, improve sleep, and help with respiratory issues. The whisper quiet operation ensures that it won't disturb your sleep, and its smart humidification system automatically adjusts to maintain optimal humidity levels. The modern design and adjustable mist output make it a great addition to any room, while the auto shutoff feature ensures safety when the water runs low. Why you'll love it. With its sleek design, quiet operation, and long-lasting performance, the Dreo Humidifier is perfect for creating a comfortable and healthy environment in any room of your home. Tip: Don't miss the special coupon discount in the description for great savings on the Dreo humidifier. This week's lineup of products is designed to make your life easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. From baking fresh bread at home to hauling heavy loads effortlessly and improving your home's air quality, these items are packed with value and innovation. Don't forget to check the description for 5 additional discounted products and the links to claim your coupons for today's featured items. Make sure to subscribe to be notified when our weekly videos are posted, because who doesn't love saving money on amazing products? See you next week.